Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to take you along as I prepare and deliver a complete printing equipment package to one of my customers. As you can see, I have all the necessary printing materials arranged and ready for packaging before sending any order to a customer. I always take my time to check everything carefully to make sure that nothing is missing. Customer satisfaction is very important to me. So I ensure that every item is complete and in good condition before it leaves my workshop. And if you're coming across my page for the first time, my name is V Word. On this channel we talk about everything that has to do with nylon production, from the raw materials to the machineries, production process, and even teach how to market your products. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Here I'm arranging the printing box and bringing together all the equipment needed for the printing business. We have the mesh, which is one of the most important materials used in screen printing. We also have the emulsion, sensitizer, retarders, squeegee, and all other essential printing accessories. Each item plays an important role in the printing process, so I make sure everything is included according to the customer's request. As I continue arranging the equipment, I carefully inspect every item one after the other. This helps me to confirm that the materials are in perfect condition and ready for use. I know how excited customers are when they receive their packages, so I always want them to receive exactly what they paid for. Proper packaging is very important because these items will travel a long distance before reaching the customer. I carefully place each material inside the package to prevent damage during transportation. Every item is arranged neatly so that it remains safe and secure throughout the journey. While packaging, I also ensure that fragile items are well protected. This is because I want the customer to receive the equipment exactly the same way it left my workshop. Good packaging is not only about appearance, it's also about protecting the investment of the customer. This is my paint, my colored paint. See, this one is emotion, my emotion. Can you see it? That's my emotion over there. So as you can see, I'm carefully arranging it. So this is my black paint. Yes, that's my black paint over there. See it? Black paint. See it? Can you see it? So that's it. At this point, everything is almost ready. That's my cotton wool, my first set of squeegee, then this is my sellotape, my pin, my scissors, and etc. In case you're planning to get a printing equipment from us, you're planning to order it, so this is what we are going to get. This is the complete box alongside with PVD printing board. This is exactly what you are going to get, and it's going to come with 4 sets of wood alongside with PVD printing board. That's what we are going to get from us. Full printing equipment, even the plain sheets, everything is already inside this carton. So this is the wood I'm talking about, the 4 set of wood I'm talking about, and that's PVD printing board over there. This PVD printing board, well constructed board. See, it's very nice, very neat. It's got PVD printing board. For those of you that doesn't know what PVD printing board is, this is what makes printing fast and easy, especially for beginners. It makes printing fast and easy, very easy. That's the work of PVD printing board. So I have to put these 2 sets of wool inside this carton, or let's just call it box, so that it will be easy. It will be easy for me. This stage, everything is almost ready. The printing equipment has been arranged, checked and packed properly. The next thing is to prepare the delivering details. So I carefully put the sellotape, apply the sellotape on it, so that all those items I put inside the box will not fall. This sellotape that will make everything stay together and look neat. So that's why I apply this sellotape on it, to make the box strong and look neat. You understand? Look like what they imported from China. So the next thing is to prepare the delivering details. I carefully write the customer's name, his address, his phone number. So this printing package is actually going to Abuja. So this step is very important because accurate information helps ensure that the package gets to the right destination without any delay. You know how these drivers now, so sometimes they misbehave, so you have to write, as in use marker or write name on it. Make sure it's very good, even the customer's phone details and everything that needs to be there. So you have to write it carefully because to avoid story that touches the heart. So I used to use marker and write it bold. As you can see, this particular order is going to Kubwa, Abi Kubwe. Yeah, beg Kubwa in Abuja. Understand, Kubwa in Abuja. And if you know that side, you can go and patronize my customer. You can bring deals to him, printing deals. He will help you out. Not only printing, he's also one of my online trainee in nylon, like everything about nylon production. I'm sure he will deliver. You can go there and patronize him. And if you need his contact, you can contact me too. If you are around that Kubwa in Abuja, you can go to him so that he will guide you on this printing stuff too. So after writing the customer's details, I double check everything again. I verify the address, confirm the phone number, and make sure all information is correct. This extra attention to details help avoid mistake and enjoy a smooth delivery. Now the package is fully prepared and ready to send out. Looking at this package gives me joy because I know it will help someone start or grow their printing business. There's always a special feeling that comes with helping people learn a skill and become financially independent. I want to thank every customer who continues to trust my brand. Your support means a lot to me and it always motivates me to keep providing quality equipment, training and guidance. Whether you are a beginner or someone looking to expand your printing business, I'm always happy to help. For those watching this video who are interested in learning printing, nylon customization, nylon production, and other related skills, feel free to follow my page and stay connected. More tutorial, training videos, practical demonstration will be coming your way. See, our customization package is ready for delivery. So are you hoping to order from us? This is what you are going to get, these two boxes together. This is what you are going to get from us. Don't forget, VWorld Company still offers physical and online classes. Thank you for watching this video from start to finish. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.